So once you click to log into the sale and then you click KidStuff Sale September 2020, you're going to go here and you're going to add your items. You're going to go into Manage Items and Add Items. So this is a screen that should be relatively familiar to you. You're going to hit Add like you normally do, but instead of hitting this square, you're going to click the arrow. And then you're going to choose Add Voice using Chrome Desktop only. The second option is if you're using a mobile device like an iPhone, an iPad, or an Android, or a tablet. So we're going to click Add Voice using Chrome Desktop only. It's going to bring up this new box. And what we're going to do is we're going to add the items for our tag by speaking. But the first things you have to do is you're going to have to select the category and size because those are drop downs and not free text fields. So for this example, we are going to do children's shoes, boy shoes. We're going to click the category and we're going to say what size. Then down here, we're going to click the microphone. The microphone's going to go red when you are recording, and you're going to say start speaking. Before this happens, and if a box pops up, make sure you allow the program to use your microphone from your computer. Many computers, you have to give it permission, so make sure you do that. So we're going to do this in a very specific order. We're going to do brand, description, price, in dollars and cents, discount, donate, quantity, and then at last we're going to say submit. Make sure you speak clearly and you enunciate. If you have an accent, it might pick up things slightly differently, so keep that in mind. So we're going to click Start Speaking. Brand, Nike. Description, black and white shoes. Price, $4.50. Discount, yes. Donate, yes. Quantity, 1. Submit. Brand, Nike. Description, black and white running shoes. Price, $4.50. Discount, yes. Donate, yes. Quantity, 1. Submit. And there we go. Now you have your entire tag written out for you, and you didn't have to type anything. And we're going to hit close. We're going to hit close again. Again, verify that it's everything that you wanted to be on the tag. And we're going to hit close again. And then there you go. It's all in the system. So remember, if it can't pick it up the first time, just re-speak. You were probably just speaking too quickly or not saying the words enough. But it's beautiful and you didn't have to type anything.